There comes a moment when you realize you've been living the same day over and over again, different dates on the calendar, but the same story on repeat. Wake up. Go through motions, survive, fall asleep, repeat. Cycles don't just happen, they're built, and if you're not careful, they'll become cages. Look at your life. Are you repeating the same patterns? The same mistakes, the same excuses? Cycles of procrastination, cycles of self-sabotage, cycles of settling for less, cycles of almost starting but never finishing. These cycles feel comfortable, but comfort doesn't mean safe. Comfort can be a slow death. The truth is, cycles don't break themselves. They continue until somebody stands up and says, "No more, not here, not me, not again." Cycles are broken by choice. Cycles are broken by action. Cycles are broken by courage. Some of you are carrying cycles that didn't even start with you. Cycles you inherited. Cycles of poverty, cycles of fear, cycles of silence, generational habits passed down like heirlooms. But hear me. Just because it started before you doesn't mean it has to continue with you. You can be the one who ends it. You can be the one who plants something new. But here's the challenge. Breaking cycles is not easy. It feels like swimming upstream. It feels like fighting gravity. It feels like everything in you wants to snap back to what's familiar. But the fight is worth it, because when you break the cycle, you don't just change your life, you change the future. So how do you do it? Step 1, recognize that you can't fix what you refuse to face. Step 2, replace it. Don't just stop the habit, plant a new one. Trade scrolling for studying, trade excuses for action, trade fear for faith. Step 3, repeat it. New patterns require repetition until they become your new normal. Discipline is how you dig a new groove in the path of your life. And here's the key. You don't have to change everything in one day, just one decision at a time, one new habit at a time, one step in a new direction. That's how you break free. That's how you create a future that doesn't look like your past. So today, make the choice. The cycle ends here. The excuses end here. The fear ends here. Draw the line, break the chain, shatter the pattern, and in its place, build something new, something stronger, something worth passing down, because cycles can destroy you, or cycles can define you. The question is, will you keep repeating what broke you, or will you rise up and build something that sets you and everyone after you free? The cycle doesn't own you. The cycle ends with you. This is Robenson Keys, and I came to remind you, you are stronger than your patterns. You are greater than your excuses. And the cycle ends here.